Hey guys, how's it going? Just a quick update here on my stupid project of buying 100 lawnmowers on auction. I have officially broken even though it doesn't really look like any machines has gone. This is just some of them. There's more over there and a batch over there. I still have 62 lawnmowers and I have broken even. Many of them is in a really sad shape where the shield is almost gone. Yeah, so they are not becoming functioning lawnmowers again. But let me hear your ideas if you would like to leave a comment. What use is there for a vertical shaft engine? What can I use these engines for? Because yeah, I got 60 plus engines and I'm pretty sure that most of them is able to run. So what can I do about these engines? Can I build something? I'm in the process of trying to figure out how I can mount one on an outboard, because I would love to try to have one of those. Some of them is almost impossible to see because of the tall grass. I'm not moving them around a lot, as you can see. There's 3 there ready for sale. We got a bit of a graveyard here. Well, there's still good cables and maybe some bearings and stuff, but these are going soon. A Honda seems complete. Yeah, there's just still a lot of mowers. And I thought it would be pretty wasteful to just throw them completely out. So, can I build something of a lawnmower engine? How many options are there for a second life? If I take them off the shield that is mostly rotted away. Did you see the video with the pink lawnmower? This is an identical machine in a much worse condition. It's a shame because the engine is with electrical start. So yeah, just a quick update. The rest of the money I can squeeze out of these machines is pure profit, because as I said, I've broken even. But let me hear your ideas. I'm wrapping my head around, as I said, an outboard engine, and I'm also want to try to make a go-kart, I think, or some sort of wheels. And just as a proof of concept, I think I'm gonna try to cut the shield in half or something on a rear wheel drive machine, and then bolt some lumber onto it and use the front wheels as front wheels on the buggy or go-kart or whatever it turns out to be. So yeah, as a proof of concept, I'm just gonna go with the original drivetrain on a self-propelled, and then later I can tune it up if it's any success. So yeah, quick update. Leave a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, you decide. As long as you do something, I will be very happy. And yeah, see you next time I post a video. I'm gonna go down to my daughter, who I think is thirsty. Have a nice summer. It's definitely showing here in Denmark. Stay safe.